Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. And this is about Corel Draw 2019 and what is new. I'm learning, and it's pretty cool some of the new stuff they have. An item that I use quite a bit is find and replace. They've actually made a find and replace type Docker. And you used to have to type in what did you wanted to search, but if you click on that star and from selected and then find all, it finds all your stars. Same thing with this fish. Find from selected, find all, it took away all the red fish. That's pretty cool. You used to have to do a little bit more work. There's a rectangle. Let's find from selected, find all, it finds all the rectangles. You used to have to select, star, and then you could still select some fills. And I'm gonna, as I get into this, I'm gonna share it with you also. But this is find and replace with Corel Draw 2019. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.